Tired of waiting in those long checkout lines at Costco? Let's unlock the secret to faster shopping by mastering their self-checkout lanes in under 90 seconds. First things first, approach an available self-checkout station. You'll need your Costco membership card. Gently scan the barcode on your membership card. Exactly where you see the glowing scanner light the screen will then display your member details, confirming you're ready to start scanning your treasures. Now, it's time to scan your items. Locate the barcode on each product you wish to purchase. Hold the item so the barcode faces the scanner, and you'll hear a cheerful beep, indicating a successful scan. The item will then appear on the screen. Along with its price, place the scanned item into the designated bagging area immediately after scanning. Costco is famous for its savings. If you have any manufacturer coupons, look for the scan coupons or coupons option on the screen. Scan each coupon like you would an item, and the discount will be applied automatically. As you bag your items, ensure you place them only in the designated bagging area, which usually has a scale. This helps the system verify that the correct items and quantities have been scanned. Don't place unscanned items or personal belongings in this area, as it can cause the system to pause. Once all your items are scanned and bagged, look for the button on the screen that says Finish and Pay or Checkout. Tap this button to proceed to payment. You'll then be presented with your total and the accepted payment methods. Costco self-checkouts typically accept major credit cards. Visa is preferred. Debit cards, EBT cards, and mobile payments. Insert or tap your chosen payment method. According to the on-screen instructions, follow the prompts to finalize your transaction. Your payment will be processed, and a receipt will be printed. Take your receipt and your bagged groceries. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the Costco self-checkout. By following these simple steps, you'll be zipping through Costco checkout like a pro, saving precious time for more important things. Happy shopping!